Hi, it's Jen and I'm back with another video. So, today our co-host is...
Chantel.
Yes, this is Chippy. I'm just playing. Do you even want people to call you that?
No, I'm definitely fine with Chippy. You can call me Chippy or you can call me Chantel. But I've recently become comfortable with my
Chantel.
name. Yeah.
Okay. So, yes, this is Chantel and she is the owner of...
Darling Dusk.
There you have it. And what it is it's an innovative new company.
It's a hair and a care product line.
And this is the product, which is personally mine.
Yeah.
Literally. You can see it's used. So this, I've been wearing this. It's been like a good week now. And y'all know I'm all about preserving the inches. So this is definitely something that I want you guys to check out. And in this video, we are going to be asking Chantel all the questions that we may have for the Sleece.
Yes.
All right. Okay. Hi.
Hi, Jennifer.
So let us know your name and let us know where you come from. We want to know about you first.
Okay, well, my name is Chantel. I am a licensed cosmetologist and I am the creator of Darling Dusk.
Okay, so how did you come up with with the concept of Sleece?
Sleece. I came up with the concept, like my friend had let me know, like, girl, you need to give this a name. This is life-changing. And Sleece just sounds so sleek and sexy. And I feel like as a child can use the word Sleece. Like, mommy, where's my Sleece? And a granny can be like, baby, go ahead and grab my Sleece.
Okay, so how long did it take to develop your product?
It took a year, which was like not the goal. But it took so long. For some reason, I thought like I was going to get these made in 1 week. But no, that was not the case. It took a year.
Okay. So what other businesses do you have?
So I am a lash technician, and that's the other business that I have. I have a salon located in Lakewood, California, and I do eyelash extensions, semi-permanent.
Hola, come on. Any doubts about your product?
There's absolutely no doubt about the Sleece.
Now tell us about the making of the product. Is it handmade?
I guess it's machine made. A person uses their hand to make it on the sewing machine, but it was designed by me. It's definitely not sewn by hand. It's machine made, and I have a very small group of seamstresses that sew it. So
that's awesome. That's awesome. Yes, businesswoman. Okay, so why are you in business? What made you want to start a business?
Okay, so I'm in business because I just felt like the industry had a need and a desire and a want for something that can help you maintain the integrity of your hair and your skin that was just like simple. And I really focus on self-love, self-development, self-growth. And I feel like anytime you're contributing to the integrity of your hair, the integrity of your skin, the integrity of your soul, you're contributing to self-love. So that's pretty much why I came up with the line Darling Dusk.
So what's your background education for your business?
The education that I have is I've been doing hair since I was 11 years old, and I've been using traditional square scarves since I was 11 years old. And they just kind of never worked for me. So pretty much doing research over all these years. I'm also a licensed cosmetologist. So that one-on-one with the clients and having conversations with them about how they maintain the integrity of their hair.
So how did you get started in this business?
I got started in...
We're talking about Sleece, by the way.
Okay. So I got started with Sleece pretty much... okay, so I had, I guess, like accumulated this disability with my back, and I spent a lot of time at home, and it kind of like stripped away my confidence. And I noticed anytime I would like feel bad because I really couldn't go out and do as much due to my back being in so much pain, I just started like taking baths all the time and just getting into myself, getting into my skin, getting into my hair. I got in the business because like I feel like the industry needed more self-love companies, basic companies, because I want people to feel comfortable within their natural skin, within their natural hair. And I feel like anytime you're maintaining the integrity of that, you're definitely contributing to self-love. So that's pretty much how I got started. And then the name Darling Dusk, I feel like Darling is such a what would you say, like so dainty. It's such a dainty name, and it's so cute, and I feel like darling. You know, like I just feel like when I hear darling, sometimes I think of Marilyn Monroe, and I feel like she was into herself. She was a cute little bitch. It comes from like the dusk of dawn, you know. So just evening routine, and doing and having an evening routine contributes to like self-love, because a lot of time we forget about an evening routine and we just work and focus on a morning routine. So that's where Darling Dusk pretty much came from and stems from.
I really do. That right there. Do you have any other competitors other than Bonnets, who by the way is losing to the Sleece?
Facts. I would have to say no. If there was a competitor, it would probably be like the long bonnets, but they really don't compare or compete with the Sleece, because the Sleece is literally the perfect scarf. Let me show you. Perfect. It is perfect because it has this elastic band, which allows a grip around the crown, like so. And then it has two very long drawstrings. This Jennifer scarf, I just picked it up, by the way. It has like two really long drawstrings, which allows you like to have complete and total control over the tension of how tight you want your sleeves to fit. And then it has what I love that Jennifer refers to it as is a sleeve. The sleeve allows you to place your hair and immerse your whole hair into the sleeves. Should I give a demonstration?
Yes. So this is how you do it.
Yeah, this is pretty much how I put my sleeves on.
Oh my god, you gonna laugh at how the way I be putting it on then.
And it's so convenient. It's so simple.
Super.
A drunk bitch could put it on.
Yes.
And a sober one.
Yes. A child
can put a sleece on. I can't wait to do my child line.
Oh my gosh.
It's gonna be so
Okay, so since we're talking about that, when can we expect a release for the kitties?
Probably the beginning of the summer.
Okay.
Real soon.
So if can we get a month, or is this still, we're going to have to check back with you?
Probably like 2 months.
Okay.
Because next month I'll be coming out with basic colors. Because right now I have like a lines of my nudes. And I've been getting questions about like, do you have any blacks, any browns? So next month will be like all basics, and then after that I'll get the kids line started. And then they're so long too, because it gives you the option to like go ahead and come right back around.
What I do is I tie it to the front, and then I take that sleeve. If it's really nothing in there, I'll take it and like put it in the front and tuck it.
I do that too. I do that for the shower.
Okay.
That's pretty much it.
Do you see that? So the sleeve pretty much is to fit your ponytails, because we know bitches love inches.
Yeah.
So, boom. So how do you market your business?
Word of mouth, Instagram, social media, and I do pop-up shops like with salons, different salons. So if you ever check my Instagram or any of my networks or my website, which is darlingdusk.com, you'll be able to see where a pop-up will be, and you can purchase them in person rather than online.
Awesome. Okay, so what is your business mission statement?
My business mission statement would have to be, I'm not sure what the mission statement is, but definitely the line is based off of self-love, because that's something that's just very dear to me and it means so much to me. And maintaining the integrity of your hair and your skin definitely promotes and exudes self-love to me, and that's just kind of what Darling Dusk represents.
So what's your target market? My
target market, my demographic is definitely geared towards women, but it can be for everyone.
Everyone?
Yeah, like for men, like if men have dreads, they have locks, or women who have braids, or sometimes even men have braids, you can go ahead and immerse your hair into the sleece and it protects it from frizziness. Definitely for children, because a lot of the time children sleep wild as hell, and their scarves usually come off at the end of the night, so it's definitely going to protect your hair throughout the whole entire night until you wake up. So that works for children as well, and adults. It works for everyone. The sleece preserves the style. Anyone can wear it. To be honest, everyone can wear it, because it's all about maintaining the integrity of the hair. So as long as you have hair, you can wear sleece.
What are the biggest issues for running your business?
The biggest issue, right now I don't feel like we have any issues because it's such a small business right now and I'm growing, I'm just getting started. It's more of a learning experience rather than an issue for me.
What is the future of your business?
So,
what can we expect from you?
You can definitely expect more self-care products, more care products. I would love to develop, and I will develop, like makeup remover, like anything that pretty much contributes to an evening of a beauty routine. So, bubble bath, shower caps, anything that's going to help you maintain the integrity of that skin, of that hair. I also want to get like a sheet line, like a bedding line. Like I want to do silk sheets.
I was just about to say, it's gonna be silk.
Yeah. So like there will be times where you don't even really necessarily need a sleece. For those nights that you come in drunk, or you maybe you're trying to get it on with your man.
What can we expect for the future of Darling Dusk?
For the future of Darling Dusk, definitely expect tutorials, how-to tutorials on how to style your hair, how to maintain your hair, how to pretty much keep your hair in the healthiest state as possible. You can expect hair products because I will continue to always add to the line as long as I'm getting blessed with these amazing ideas. I am going to continue to present them to you guys.
What is one thing or a couple, it doesn't really matter, a list of things that you would like for your consumers to know about your product? What makes your product special?
What makes Darling Dusk special, well, actually what makes the Sleece special is the length. So if you have like a 30-inch or 28-inch, the fact that it's so long, you have the option of wearing really long hair and not being concerned about the weight pulling that scarf off. Also, another thing that makes it special is the fact that it's protective, so it protects both your skin and your hair. So that's probably like my favorite thing about it. And then the fact that it has the elastic band, which grips around the crown, so then there's placement of exactly where you want to place it. So do you want to place it on your edges? Do you want to place it a little further back, or do you want to place it on your forehead and keep it there the whole night? So that's pretty much what makes it really special.
Okay, so where can we find you online?
My Instagram, you can find me at Darling Dusk Co, which is DarlingDuskco. And for my website, you can find me at darlingdusk.myshopify.com.
Awesome.
What I would like for you guys to know is just pretty much that this line is based off of self-love. And if you don't love yourself, then no, I'm just kidding. I don't know. I feel like we covered everything. I just really hope that you guys love it and gravitate towards it and you love the line. That's pretty much it. I definitely have 30% off for you guys, and I'm so grateful that Jen had me here on her channel. Thank you so much, Jennifer, for allowing me to come on your channel to inform you guys about my new product launch. And I have 30% off for you guys on all hair extensions, and you can check us out at darlingdusk.myshopify.com. So be sure to use Darling Jen at checkout to receive that 30%. This is literally the perfect headscarf.
It really is.
Yeah. What did you say? Her bonnet is jealous?
Oh, I can't even find my bonnet. I can't even find my bonnet right now because this has taken over. What I want you guys to do is I want you guys to head on over, because one of the first rules in this giveaway will be you will have to subscribe to the newsletters at
darlingdusk.myshopify.com.
That will be one of the first, but you can read everything else below. But I want you guys to really go ahead and follow her and learn more about her products and all of that, and really get into this self-love.
My Instagram is darlingdusk.co. Actually, it's darlingduskco. There's no dot.
I'm not about to play with you not knowing your handles. Okay. What else did I wanted to add in this video? Oh yes. If you guys like my content today, like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to see and order it. And tell me how you guys Tell me how you guys are loving this new Sleece, and if you guys want to purchase it again.
And if you have any questions, definitely feel free to ask Jen in her comments.